Hello student, how are you? I hope you are very good and healthy at your home. बेटा आप सभी को पता है कि अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, कोरोना नाम की डिजीज़ पूरे वर्ल्ड के अंदर फैली हुई है। तो इस कारण से आपकी जो ऑफलाइन स्टडी है, मतलब स्कूल स्टडी, वो बिल्कुल बंद हो गई है और आप भी परेशान हो रहे हैं, पेरेंट्स भी परेशान हैं। इसलिए स्कूल के मैनेजमेंट ने ये तय किया है कि आपकी ऑनलाइन स्टडी शुरू की जाए। इसके लिए मैंने एक्सरसाइज 1.1 वैदिक मैथ्स के कुछ क्वेश्चन ब्लैक बोर्ड पे किए हैं। मैं आपको उनको एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ, यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, है ना। ओके, देखिए एक्सरसाइज फर्स्ट का मैंने सेकंड क्वेश्चन लिखा है, फर्स्ट डू एट योर होम एज होमवर्क and do your practice in a notebook or rough notebook as you wish. I will explain this question. Look here, question is write down on the blackboard. The method to solving this question is, this method is called Shunyat method. Shunyat method. For this method we get base. First of all we get base. Base is 100 for this solving this question. Okay, देखिए फर्स्ट स्टेप आई एम डूइंग ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड। लुक हियर, 36 and 28 both are adding to each other and we get 64. Here 64 is smaller than 100, so we again add 64 in 99 and get 163. Here 163 is greater than 100, so we put 100 digit as carry for the next, means 39 digits, and 63 add in next digit 21. Okay, 63 add by 21 we get 84. Again 84 is a smaller than 100, so we write here 84 as it is. Okay, for next step 97 and 57 both are adding to each other, we get 154. 154 again greater than 100, so we get 1 as carry for next digit. 97 and 57 we get, here we get 154. 154 is greater than 100, so we give carry for as dot on 46, and left we have 54. 54 is added in 40. Why 40 we add in 54? Because 39 have ekadikyan sign, and आपको लास्ट ईयर प्रीवियस क्लास में मैंने बताया था कि ekadikyan sign means 1 plus, means 39 plus 1 is equals to 40. So we add 54, left digit 54 and add 40. Okay, and we get 94. Again 94 is smaller than 100, so we add again 43 in 94 and get 137. 137 is greater than 100, so 37 write down, and 1 is goes to carry for 55. Next step, third step, look here, third step, 32, 47 is added by 79. Look here, 46 have ekadikyan sign, so we called it 47 and adds both. When we add both the digits we get 79. 79 is added with 62 and we get 141. 41 is left because 1 is carried to next digit, but there is no any next digit, so I am putting 0 here. And 41 is added by 56. Again ekadikyan sign, again 55 had ekadikyan sign, so we add 56 and get 97. And ekadikyan sign here on the 0, so we put 1 here because 0 plus 1 is equals to, we get 1. Okay, so answer will be 197, 37 and 84. Clear? This is the second question of exercise 1.1. Do your question number 1 at your home as home. Okay, now we will do question number 3rd, which is subtract. I am writing this question and solving this question on the blackboard. I will explaining you. First of all, I want to tell you about Param-Mitra digit. What is Param-Mitra digit? Param-Mitra digit वो डिजिट होती है जिसको, किसी भी डिजिट को जब हम भी सब्सट्रैक्ट द एनी डिजिट फ्रॉम द 10 and we get Param-Mitra digit. I am writing here Param-Mitra of 10 is 0, 9 is 1, 8 is 2, like this. Okay, अब we will solving this question. 7 is not subtracting from the 6, so we get carry from the 5 and put a Newton sign. Newton sign, what do you understand by Newton sign? Means 4. Okay, and 6 एकाधिकन sign, तो this means 7. एकाधिकन और न्यूमेन क्लियर। देखिए अब हमको इस स्टेप में क्या करना है कि परम मित्र ऑफ 7 is 3. We added 3 into upper digit means 6. Here is a step. Param mitra of 7 added by upper digit means 6 and we get 9. Okay, we get 9. Right here 9. For next digit 6 ekadikyan sign means 7 and the param mitra of 7 is also again 3. 3 is added by 5. Here is 3 param mitra of 7 added by 5 and we get 8. Right here 8. For next step 4 and ekadikyan sign 5. The param mitra of 5 is 5. Param mitra of 5 is 5. We get 5 in 3. So 5 and 3 is 8. We write here 8. Okay. Now for next step, look here 0 plus 1 ekadikyan sign. When we add ekadikyan sign with 0, we get 1. And 1 is subtract from the 8, so we not added param mitra. We direct subtract 8 minus 1. हमने किया 8 minus 1. We subtract 1 from the 8. So 8 minus 1 is equals to we get 7. Right here 7 and 9 also greater than 7. So we subtract 7 from the 9. So 9 minus 7 is equals to 2. So our answer will be 2, 7, 8, 8, 9. We use base here 10. Okay, clear?